Hi Space NK, I'm Isabelle French. I'm the founder of Isabelle Beauty, and today I'm going to show you my 3 top products for a quick and easy 5-minute makeover. So the first product is the Colour Correcting Serum. Now this is an amazing product if you want that fresh, glowy, dewy base, but you don't want to commit to a heavy foundation. It comes in 6 different colours and it provides solutions for all sorts of skin issues, from rosacea to hyperpigmentation, dullness and dryness. We've got you covered. So I like to use the Lilac Serum. This product is a really wonderful, dewy, glowy product for all over your face. You can use it topically if you have specific issues like rosacea. You can just use it across the mid-band, hyperpigmentation or darker areas. I like to use the Lilac all over my face because it's a really brightening serum. So all of my products in the core line contain high potency active ingredients that really benefit your skin. Next we have the Sculpting Stick. Now this is a truly multi-purpose versatile product. I love it because it helps me sculpt different parts of my face with ease. It has ceramides in it, so it's really lovely and easy to control, easy to blend, and I use it on my eyes, my cheeks, my nose and my lips. So I'm going to use this all over my face to show you how versatile it really is. First of all, I'm going to use it on my cheek area. So I'm going to blend it just under my cheekbone to get that nice kind of sculpted look. And I'm just going to use my finger to blend it out just to show you how truly easy it is. And you can't really make any mistakes with this product because it is so easy to blend. You can just keep working it in and adding more if you need to help build out that beautiful sculpted finish. Next, I'm going to use it on my eyes, and you can really go wild with it on your eyes. I love to really rub it in all over the lid and then just take my finger to blend it out, because it's such a great product if you want something quick and easy instead of getting involved with eyeshadows or anything like that. You can literally just create a very, very soft, beautiful moment using the sculpting sticks. Because it's so soft and easy, I just like to pop it around my lip, around the border, and then I just blend it in with my finger. So next I'm going to use the Skin Duo. I'm going to use it on my cheeks and on my lips and a little bit on my eyelids. It has an incredible dewy highlighter that I love to use absolutely everywhere because it's quite magical. It also has Hydrolock Complex, which helps to nourish the skin. It helps to lock in hydration so that your skin is really well hydrated throughout the day. The way I designed these colours was really to have that beautiful natural finish that blends beautifully with your skin tone. It doesn't feel like it's sitting on the skin. It just adds real lovely colour and definition to the face. Now I really love natural colours, and especially in blusher I just want something that really just enhances and lifts my face. So I'm just going to tap that in with my finger, super easy. I'm also going to add a touch of that colour to my lips and my lids because I think it's really nice when you bring in your blusher colour to other areas of your face. It just kind of helps to tie the whole look in together. So I'm just going to pop a little bit on my lids just to warm them up, and then I'm going to pop it on my lips as well. And it's a lovely balmy texture, so it feels really good wherever you put it. And then finally I'm going to use the highlighter. So this is a lovely dewy glowy product, and I'm just going to place it on the high points of my face, like my brow bone up here, my cheekbones. And I love to add this product into my lip area, on my cupid's bow, and in the centre just to add that lovely high def shine. So that's a really easy way to do a 5-minute makeover using just 3 products. They're all versatile, multi-use products, and they're guaranteed to give you an effortless, easy look.